Hi everyone, this is our another trade breakdown video which we took in AUD pair on last Monday. So the trade area was very simple. So here we can say the price has taken out these swing highs and it has formed a recent daily CSD. That is nothing but daily bearish OB. But one can say that yes, it hasn't taken out this swing high, and even before taking out this swing high, it has formed a CSD here, and we took this key level for our entry purpose. But we came into a conclusion that this is a valid key level because this is New Zealand JPY pair, New Zealand JPY pair, and here you can see this same high, which was not taken in AUD JPY, was already taken in New Zealand JPY, which is nothing but SMT. So it has formed a higher high, but here it has formed a lower high, which indicates that AUD JPY is more bearish and it has more potential to go downwards. Okay, so this was one of the trade entry criteria, and we took this as daily bearish OB because the price has taken out just a minute, daily bearish OB because the price has before noticing that the New Zealand JPY pair, when we were just seeing this AUD JPY pair, we were discussing that okay, this was not A plus setup, but this could be considered as A setup because it has taken out this recent swing high and it has formed this daily CSG. But only after taking entry, while comparing this with the new JPY, we came to know that there is an SMT with this one and the other one. So we took this as a daily bearish OB and this as our key level because this has taken out this swing high and yeah, as usual. And in CBDR, you can see that price starts to consolidate near this daily key level and it has poked inside. It has poked inside and it has given a CSD here. But since this is untimed, this is nothing but 4:30 a.m. In our timing, this is 4:30 a.m., which obviously we won't be awake to see this price action. And during Asian session, when myself and Karthi we were discussing, we noticed this one. Here you can see that the CBDR high has been taken out in Asian session, and again the price has formed another one CSD here. So we considered this as valid 1 hour CSD, and as soon as we confirmed this 1 hour CSD, we immediately jumped with the market order sell, and we kept our SL to this swing high, and we were sure enough for the price to come at least till this daily FEG anyhow, because in daily if you are seeing there is no opposing PD area here except this daily FEG. So if price has taken, you can see here this is weekly FEG. So if price has taken support from this weekly FEG, then ideally it should have moved higher and it should have taken out this swing high as early as possible. But that was not the case here. It came down and it has formed a daily bearish OB, which indicates some mild sign of bearishness. Okay, so that is why we concluded this as a daily key level and we took this daily bearish OB entry. And yeah, you can see that entry. This was the message which we posted in our group. So this was market sell order which was posted at 8:58 a.m. That is nothing but here 8:30 a.m. So as soon as we saw this, we just jumped here, and the entry price you can see 9.96.811, which is somewhat here. We just jumped in between. So 96.811. This is where we jumped with the market order, and it got ideally it should have been an it should have taken out here, but since we noticed a little bit late, we just jumped immediately because there is more chance for the price to go down directly because it has already balanced here. So we just jumped here and we posted that entry in our group, which is nothing but this one, and pressure is as usual 96.952. Yeah, this is where we kept our SL and we targeted this daily FEG swing low. TP was set later, and this was the actual entry which we took here. See, 96.811. This is what the price we entered, and the close price was 96.311. 96.311. Ideally, first we initially aimed till this daily FEG, but later we noticed that there was one untapped 4-hour FEG below. Yeah, here it is. This was the daily FEG which we are seeing here, but the untapped FEG is this 4-hour FEG. So in a group, we told like daily FEG is our TP, but in my with my own experience, and I was confident that the price can come till this 96.31 level, and that is where the last level the price has came down. Yeah, so the price has comfortably came down and took out this 96.311, and still it is going down. But anyhow, this was our trade idea, and although the overall order flow was bullish, you can see there is no bearish argument has formed here, but still we took this counter trade because of our analysis and our thought process. That's it. So we just made use of this small retracement which happened in the market, and this will happen. Anyhow, if you are becoming an experienced trader, you need to make use of the move on both sides of the market. So since we were seeing this as a sensible one at the point of discussion, we just took this trade. But anyhow, we played safe. We didn't risk much. We just risked very little. So the stop was like this is 10K accounts reading. So the stop loss was around $30, and we got around $97. So that's it. So that's all for this trade video. We'll see you in another video. Thank you.